everyone. Today we are going to see how to trade the stock Bajaj Finance using the Blue Sky Plus indicator. So to do that, I have loaded the Bajaj Finance chart in tradingview.com. The Blue Sky Plus indicator is only available in tradingview.com only. So to check its profitability, let's load the Blue Sky Plus indicator. I go to FX, I go to invite only skips, and I load the Blue Sky Plus 4.0 strategy. As soon as I load, I get a lot of signals. So these signals are pre-calculated using various methods, and so I load the 1 hour chart. We have found that with the 1 hour chart, the Bajaj Finance is most profitable. If you see this, Bajaj Finance is still in a sell mode. Now, if you are a long-term investor, you can use a daily chart. Now, in daily chart, you can see that Bajaj Finance has been on the sell side from March 2nd, and it is continuing its trend. You can also load an RSI indicator to compare it. So I load the RSI indicator as well. If you load the RSI indicator, if you see Bajaj Finance had made a top around the 27 Feb, and from March 2nd it is going down, and it has sort of bottomed out, but it may be not the case. So to check whether this method of Blue Sky Plus is profitability or not, so I go to strategy tester. I just scroll this here, and to test the strategy I take some 100 shares. I go to settings, and then I go to properties, then I take around 100 shares, and I take the backtesting from April 4 2019 to the current date. So okay, now as soon as I take 100 shares, you see this, there is a profit of around 400% on the amount you have invested during a year back. You see, you get a profit of 446%. So there is a profit of around 44,670. Now if you so these are for the long term investors. Now you get a sell, and till the time there's a buy signal, you don't need to buy the Bajaj Finance stock. Now there are more parameters which you can see here. You can see the performance chart over a period of year. So initially it was profitable, and there are losses increased, and the profitability increased as the volatility increased. There are a lot of things you can see, how many bars or days it takes average trade. It's around 14 bars. You can see the net profit, gross profit. You can do all this calculation over here. There are a lot of features over here. You can see the list of trades. So it's a complete system. It's just not one-off trade which you need to follow. So this is on the daily chart, but if you are a frequent trader and you want to take trades frequently, you can use an hourly chart. And to check the profitability, see, the profitability is increased to 3000%. So if whatever amount you invested for 100 shares initially a year back, so it has given a profit of around 3,57,000. You can see this, and there's a profit percent of 43% overall. Now, so Bajaj Finance is still on the sell side. Now to check out the levels, I load and a monthly chart. Now if you see, when I load the monthly chart, I use a tool called the fib retracement. Now I load this. So when I load this, you can see the different levels. Now if you see this, Bajaj Finance, the levels are around 1904. So if it reaches 1904, something around 1904, or is it when it reaches 190, it can still go down till 1904. If it breaks this level, the next level which you need to watch out is for 1072. So you can see with this also the levels which are there. So you can use this tool, and also you can use the daily chart if you are a long-term trader, and if you are trading every day or in a day or two, you can use an hourly chart. So that is our observation of the Bajaj Finance stock. Do subscribe to our channel so that whenever we get a sell signal in Bajaj Finance, we can notify you through our YouTube channel. And do let us know your views on this Blue Sky Plus indicator strategy. Blue Sky Plus indicator is only available in tradingview.com, and it's not a free indicator, it's a paid indicator. In case you like our analysis, if you want, you can subscribe to our indicator. In case you have any comments, to write down in the comments below. Thank you.